Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add dotted underline in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then I show the Excel sheets. This text from the dotted underline from that. Firstly, going to the insert menu option. Now click with the shape option. Then click on the line shape option. Then again insert option, click on the shape option. Now click on the line shape option. Then draw a line shape. The shape is the from shape outline option. Now click for the white option. Now again outline option. Now choose color from the black color. Again outline. Then click for the dash option. Now click for the dotted underline. That's okay. Then you show the add dotted underline in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.